Thanks for coming to Mr. Lucky's workshop. Today we're going to do a real quick project. We're going to make a lanyard for a small flashlight. I have a small flashlight that came with a lanyard, kind of looks like this, and it's got this little tiny string. And I spent a lot of time outdoors, and if you're a hiker, you go hiking, you fish, you hunt, you're a first responder, you need a flashlight. I got this really cool new flashlight, and it came with this, and I don't think that's going to last, one trip into the woods. So I'm going to make a little bit more durable lanyard for my flashlight, and let's go to the bench. So here it is, finished product. It's got a little bit more durable lanyard on it now. It's got the spring clip it to to my jacket, to my pants. Might stand up a little bit better in the woods, won't get snagged and torn. Just the flashlight itself is made by Coast. It's American made. It's got red and light and white, for nighttime. And there you have it. As usual, if you like the video, please like, subscribe, hit the bell. You'll get notified when we release another video. And thanks for stopping by at Mr. Lucky's Workshop.